Welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise from recorded audio. Many people recording voice from their computer, but some people face the issue about background noise. Because of the low quality microphone make huge background noise while recording. How can you remove the background noise from already recorded audios? Audacity audio editor helps to remove the unnecessary background noise from any recorded audio. Let's learn how you can do this. First, you need to download and install the Audacity software from Audacity website. Then open the Audacity audio editor. Click on the file. Then click to open. Here you have to select your already recorded audio. I already have one recorded audio, so I am going to reduce the noise of this audio. So click OK. Now the recorded audio has been opened. Click to play the sound. The video presentation is the best way to promote products and services. Nowadays, all companies make the products demo video. In this audio, some background noise is there. I have to remove the noise. Go to select all. Now the recorded audio has been selected. Then go to effect. Then click on the noise reduction. Here you have to first click on the get noise profile. Again go to effects. Then click on the noise reduction. Then click on the preview button. It will be show the noise reduced audio. The video presentation is the best way to promote products and I think this is okay for me. So I click to OK. If you need to adjust more noise profile, you can adjust anything here. Then click OK. Now you can see the waves has been changed. It means the background noise has been reduced. If you adjust more of noise profile, your voice also suppressed. So you have to reduce some amount of noise. This will be make a good audio. You can play now. The video presentation is the best way to promote products and services. Nowadays, all companies make the products demo video. This is perfectly reduced the noise for me. So I am going to export the audio. Go to File. Then click to export a MP3 format. There is a lot of audio format there. So I am choosing the export as MP3. Then I am choosing the file name. Now your compressed audio has been saved. This way you can reduce your audio to reduce the background noise. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.